Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. I just want to let everybody know that it sent me knives. I'm running about 10 days behind on the packages I received from subscribers. So today is I'm going to be opening a package from Flyaway Tuna Knives. He's another knife channel, and he sent me a nice knife, a customized knife that these knives I've fallen absolutely in love with. But y'all go check him out. It's Flyaway Tuna Knives. He has a bunch of shorts on there. He's just starting out. So y'all go over to his knife channel. Y'all check him out. But I hope you enjoy the video. I got another package today, guys, and we're going to see what this is. Ooh, a sticker. Flyaway Tuna Knives. To the Knife Doctor from Flyaway Tuna Knives. Merry Christmas. Your videos have inspired me to make more content on YouTube and have influenced my new addiction to slip joints. I'm new to working on knives and have been using opinels to practice different techniques. This one has a reshaped handle with what I call a dirty finish, splattered with India inlay and oak stain. 800 grit satin on the blade. I like all these stickers. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Let's check this bad boy out. I love me some opinels. Wow. Look, check that out. Man. How about that? That is so cool, man. Thank you so much. I like the way you did that. Sure do. This is number 8. Opinel number 8. And he redid the finger groove here. He's redid the handle. It's nice. Razor sharp. Golly, that thing is sharp. Awesome, man. Thank you so much, dude. Flyaway Tuna Knives is from St. Johnsonville, New York. St. Johnsonville, New York is 1,133 miles away on Interstate 90, north of Cooperstown, east of Utica, about right in there. Thank you, Flyaway Tuna Knives, for that opinel, buddy. I appreciate it so much. Okay, Flyaway Tuna Knives is the 3rd knife channel going on the Wall of Fame. All right. I certainly appreciate this, man. I like the design. I really do. It's so light. I love the opinel knives now. I really do. I've fallen in love with these things. They're so collectible. Really reasonable in price. I mean, they are really a cheap knife. Such a simple design, but yet so well made. I love opinel now. I really do. But thank you for this, man. I certainly appreciate this so much. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I certainly appreciate y'all tuning in. I certainly appreciate Flyaway Tuna Knives for sending me this custom opinel number 8 knife. I've fallen in love with these knives. I received it a few days before Christmas. I'm just now been able to put all the footage together and get it out to y'all. Again, I'm running this 10 to 14 days behind on subscribers' unboxings. I try to mix up the content. I like to do knife hunts. I like to do unboxings from subscribers. I like to do unboxings of my eBay purchases. I also like to do repairs. You know, I try to mix all that in. And I hate to just do unboxings one day after the other. So please understand that. But again, I certainly appreciate all the gifts, all the knives that people have sent me. The footage is coming. Just give me a little bit of time on that. But I really enjoy them, guys. I certainly appreciate it. I'm so blessed. Thank y'all again. And I really hope and pray that each and every one of y'all have a blessed new year, have a blessed 2024. So don't forget about the live event tomorrow night, 6:30 p.m., January 2nd, 2024. I'm going to be giving a bunch of knives away and a bunch of other items, so y'all tune in. That is 6:30 p.m., January the 2nd. I'll see you then. But until then, guys, until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.